Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to power on your washing machine made by Samsung. Here you have Samsung washing machine, and if you would like to power on Samsung washing machine, what you have to do is first to switch on the main power. Okay, that is a plug inserted into the board. Just switch on that. Okay, and then come to your machine and just click on power button. Okay, just one press it and your machine is ready for next washing. Okay, for example, here normal mode by default selected, so this normal mode will be used when you press start button. Okay, so after putting cloths here in this drum, you have to press start button. Okay, so here you have learned how to turn on or power on or switch on your washing machine. In next video, we will see other things like what are all the modes and other functions. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.